This is question 5 of section 1 of Natural Sciences Admissions Assessment, past paper 2017, and it's a question about proportionality. So let's have a look at the first few lines of the question. So we have that something P is directly proportional to Q squared. So what does this mean exactly? Well, it means that P is equal to some multiple K of Q squared. So the K is our proportionality constant. It means that P is not just equal to Q squared, it's equal to some multiple of Q squares. And now what we can do is use the fact that we have a case here when P is 2, then Q is 4. So if we plug these numbers in, we can use them to work out what K is. So we get 2 equals K times 4 squared is 16. And we can solve that to find that K is equal to an eighth. So have a go and see if you can use the same idea to find a relationship between Q and R and the constant that links them together. So we now have that Q is inversely proportional to R, which means that Q is equal to some constant divided by R. Now again, we have a case when Q is 2, R is 5, so let's plug those numbers in to find our constant M. When we do this, we get that 2 is equal to M over 5, and so M is equal to 10. So now we want to link these things together to find what P is in terms of R. So let's first rewrite P in terms of Q. Well, P equals KQ squared, but we know Q in terms of R, so we can write the Q as M over R squared, because that's M over R is just Q. And now what we can do is we can substitute in for K and M because we know what these things are. We found them just now. So let's do that now. So we put in an eighth and we put in 10. And this 10 is squared, so we will get 100 divided by 8, R squared. So if we just cancel that down, we divide by 4 to get 25 over 2R squared. And we get our answer of E.